Welcome to Langua. Chatting with AI is a new experience for many of us. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get the most out of your conversation practice. Langua supports many different languages, but for the purposes of this video, I am going to practice my English so as many of you as possible can understand. The first thing you'll see is that there are numerous thoughtfully designed conversation sections. We have role plays to cover situations you're likely to encounter, chatting about your interests or other things related to your life. Debates to get you expressing opinions and arguments. Here, you will be able to chat about whatever you feel like discussing, with a few different practice styles, such as using lots of slang. Then, these two last sections cover exercises and games designed to work on your grammar as well as the vocabulary you've saved. These options are constantly being updated and improved, so it may look different by the time you're watching this video. Let's go with a role play. I'll select a travel role play and I'll be checking in at the airport. First, you will need to enable your microphone for this.
Welcome to Inverness Airport. How may I assist you today with your check-in?
To reply, tap record just once, and then after you've finished speaking, you can either send or alternatively pause and check what you've said has been understood correctly. You can also turn on automatic recording settings for hands-free chatting, but let's leave those off for now. I would like to know if my flight is delayed.
Certainly, I'd be happy to check that for you. Could you please tell me your flight number?
You can instantly translate sentences, and you can even speak to the AI in your native language when you're stuck. I'm sorry, je ne comprends pas. As you can see here, it will often translate what you've said automatically. The transcription technology may occasionally struggle to understand you, so you may wish to click the check pause button before sending, as I just did.
No problem at all. Can you tell me where you're flying to today?
These buttons here allow me to replay the audio at different speeds as well as pause it.
No problem at all. Can you tell me where you're flying to today? No problem at all. Can you tell me where you're flying to today?
Now, let's make a mistake so we can see how we can learn from them. Yes, I am book a flight for London. Let's pause and click the pencil to see corrections. You can also get explanations. If you click the wand, you'll also see how you could have expressed yourself in another way. This is great for building your vocabulary. Now, let's say you're not sure what to reply. You can select this light bulb to see a couple of possible replies. You can translate each response. You can also listen to it and try to copy the pronunciation.
My flight is scheduled to depart at 3:30 p.m. I'm excited for the trip.
And then send it in a click. Langua is also designed to help you build your vocabulary. You can translate individual words as well as the sentence and other sentences that use the same word. Then save any of them with the plus button. You can learn vocabulary you've saved with flashcards that employ a spaced repetition algorithm designed to optimize memorization. Okay, so I think this word means voyage. Correct, so I'll mark it as known. But flashcards aren't the only option here. Many learners like this option, which allows you to have conversations with the AI in which it will intelligently introduce the words you've saved to get you using them in context. So let's go to vocab and games and select practice my vocab, blend into chat. My recently saved vocab.
Hello? Today we'll aim to use the following words in our conversation: flying, scheduled, wonderful, trip, booking. Let's start our chat. Have you been on any interesting journeys lately?
No, not really, but I would like to get some new ideas. Keep in mind that this chat option will be visible after you've saved at least 5 words. Before I go, a few things to be aware of. You have access to settings here. If you select Listen First, the words will be hidden. This will make the chat more realistic and challenging. You can also change the AI character here. There are multiple dialects, and the character will also use the correct dialect while talking to you. You will also find the auto record and auto send options for hands-free chatting, as well as some other things you can explore. If you want to return to a conversation later, you can go here to access all your previous chats. And when you end a conversation, you can see that you can generate a feedback report for the whole conversation. It will provide a list of the most important errors, showing corrections, explanations, and alternative ways of expressing yourself. It even provides a cultural tip related to the themes discussed. The report can also be downloaded and shared with your tutor if you have one. Hopefully, this video has given you a quick glimpse of what is possible. As you can see, there are lots of features and activities to explore. It may take you a little time to get used to this new experience. So if you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to send us an email or to contact us via the help button. Langua is AI, but there is a team behind it that deeply cares about your experience. You will also see a section where you can suggest and vote on features. The most upvoted ideas often get built. Now over to you.